This is Musa, and you are tuned into Redemption Trading 44, your mindset station. Listen carefully. This might change your perception. If I was starting today, I'd do it different. No rushing, no confusion, no emotion controlling decisions. I'd follow the blueprint, step by step. 'Cause trading is a journey, not a race. I'm learning from the ones who walked before. Mindset steady, heart aligned, ready for more. I'm building up my truth from the foundation, trading with knowledge, not with frustration. Step by step I'm rising, never losing direction. This is my blueprint, my path to freedom. Phase 1, I learn from those who know, teachers who already walked through the highs and lows. They show me discipline, emotions and the pain, how to stay patient and not chase every gain. Mindset is the roots that keep me grounded strong. Without it every trade can move you wrong. Phase 2, I choose one market lane. Keep it simple, let the noise wash down the drain. Trading view ready, journal by my side. Market structure moving like the ocean tide. Support and resistance, footprints in the sand. One clear strategy, that's how I stand. Backtest the moves before I risk a cent. 50 trades deep, my confidence cement. Them walk count first, protecting my peace. Trading small lots till my fear finds release. Weekly review, sharpen intuition. Every loss, every win fuels the mission. I'm not alone, I'm growing slow. Discipline steady as the candles glow. Turning lesson into elevation, turning patience into liberation. I'm not alone. I'm learning from the ones who walked before. Mindset steady, heart aligned, ready for more. I'm building up my truth from the foundation, trading with knowledge, not with frustration. Step by step I'm rising, never losing direction. This is my blueprint, my path to freedom. Follow these phases and rise above the noise. Trade with knowledge, trade with intention. Trade with purpose,